This video is about the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop, a home cleaning device that truly makes life easier. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, I have provided the link to this robot vacuum in the description below. With its ultra-slim 3.14-inch design, the Saros 10R effortlessly glides under sofas, beds, and cabinets, reaching spots most vacuums can't. Its 22,000 pascals HyperForce suction ensures deep cleaning on all floor types, from hardwood to carpets, while the Zero-Tangling DuoDivide brush prevents hair and pet fur from getting stuck, saving you time and frustration. What sets this model apart is its intelligent FlexiArm Riser Side Brush, which extends automatically to clean corners and edges thoroughly. The advanced StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 uses 3D sensing technology to navigate around furniture, cables, and obstacles with ease, giving you consistent results without manual intervention. It even detects heavily soiled areas and automatically activates the rewash and re-mop functions for a deeper clean in high-traffic zones. Maintenance is practically effortless thanks to the multifunctional Dock 4.0, which handles self-emptying, hot air drying, mop cleaning, and even auto detergent dispensing. The built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant and Roborock app integration allows scheduling, remote control, and even two-way video to check on pets while you're away. One minor consideration is that it's slightly heavier than smaller robot vacuums at 25 pounds, but this weight supports its powerful cleaning system and larger water and dust capacity. Overall, the Roborock Saros 10R combines innovative technology, powerful suction, and intelligent navigation to make home cleaning stress-free. Its corner-to-corner efficiency and hands-free maintenance make it a worthwhile investment for any busy household. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to see the latest price or get yours today.